welcome to our family Valentine's Day. This is year 2020 Valentine's Day. This is how we are going to celebrate. We have made chicken wings, shrimp skewers, chicken fry, fried rice, and two varieties of salads. Along with our desserts are fruits. So we have mangoes and oranges, which we love. So thank you so much for tuning into Curry TV, and we hope you and your loved ones have a very safe and memorable Valentine's Day. Thank you so much, and cheers to all.
Cheers.
Just for clarification, kids are having which apple cider is it?
Cherry.
Apple pomegranate cider. So they're having that, and we're having a good
Napa Valley
Oberon.
Napa Valley Oberon wine.
Right. All right. So cheers to y'all. Cheers to
Cheers.
Cheers. Yay. All right.
Yay.
All right. Let's serve and enjoy. See you guys. Bye bye.
See you. Bye.